This garage sale is huge. I see so many interesting things.
I agree. It is much better than the one last week.
Oh, hello. Are you looking for something specific?
Hi, I'm Mark. I'm mostly looking for old tools or furniture.
I am Lily. I love finding old books and home decor.
That vintage lamp in your hand is quite beautiful.
It is unique, isn't it? The glass has a lovely green color.
It looks like it is from the 70s. It is a real treasure.
I think it will look perfect on my desk.
You should check if the wire is still good.
That is a smart idea. I don't want any sparks in my house.
Safety is important with old electronics.
Look at these ceramic plates. They are so delicate.
They have a very classic pattern. Your kitchen must be very cozy.
It is. I like mixing old and new styles.
That is the best way to decorate a home. It gives it character.
I see some old cameras over there on that small shelf.
Those are cool. Are you a photographer?
I'm just a beginner, but I find them fascinating.
Maybe you can find a good lens today.
I hope so. The prices here seem very fair.
Then do. The owner wants to move to another city.
Everything must go then. That explains the variety.
Let's keep looking. There are 3 more tables behind the car.
Great. I am ready for more discoveries.
Lily, come look at this wooden box.
Wow, the carvings on the lid are incredible.
I think it is handmade. The wood feels very heavy and solid.
It looks like an old jewelry box or a tea chest.
Look, there is a secret compartment at the bottom.
That is amazing. Is there anything inside it?
It is empty, but the velvet lining is still clean.
You should definitely buy it, Mark. It is a rare find.
I think I will. It is perfect for my watch collection.
It matches your leather jacket perfectly.
You are right. I like things that last a long time.
Quality is hard to find these days.
This box is at least 50 years old.
It was probably a very special gift for someone.
I wonder what stories it could tell.
That is why I love garage sales. Everything has a history.
It makes shopping much more exciting than going to a mall.
Exactly. Every item is a little mystery.
How much do you think it costs?
The tag says $5. That is a steal.
I will take it immediately.
Good choice. I'm a bit jealous now.
Don't worry, I will help you find something even better.
That is a deal. Let's check the bookshelf next.
Lead the way, Lily.
Mark, look at this wide hat. Is it too much?
Not at all. It actually looks very stylish on you.
I feel like a movie star from an old film.
You look very elegant. The black ribbon is a nice touch.
I can wear it when I go to the park on Sundays.
It will protect you from the sun and look great in photos.
Do you think it fits my head correctly?
It looks perfect. It doesn't seem too big or too small.
I am not sure if I have the courage to wear it in public.
You have a very confident personality. You can pull it off.
Thank you. You are very encouraging.
I just like seeing people enjoy their style.
How much is it? Oh, it's only $2.
That is cheaper than a cup of coffee.
I am definitely buying it then.
It is a fun addition to your wardrobe.
Now I need a vintage bag to match it.
There are some purses on the chair over there.
Let's go see. Maybe there's a leather one.
I see a brown one that looks very sturdy.
You have a very good eye for quality materials, Mark.
I work with wood and leather, so I notice these things.
That is a very useful skill.
It helps me avoid buying junk.
I am glad I am shopping with an expert today. I really want this mirror, but $10 is a bit much.
The frame is a bit dusty, but the glass is perfect.
Do you think I should ask for a discount?
Yes, you should. Most people expect to negotiate here.
I am a bit shy about asking for lower prices.
I can do it for you if you want.
No, I should learn. How should I start?
Just say, would you take $7 for this?
Okay, I will try. Wish me luck.
You can do it. Just be polite and smile.
Excuse me, would you take $7 for this mirror?
Watching the owner. See, he is thinking about it.
He said yes. I'm so happy.
Great job, Lily. You just saved $3.
That was actually quite easy. Thank you for the tip.
Negotiating is part of the fun at a garage sale.
Now I have more money for books.
That is the spirit of a true shopper.
This mirror will look great in my hallway.
It will make the space look much larger.
I will clean the frame when I get home.
A little bit of polish will make it look like new.
I can't wait to see it on my wall.
You found another great item today.
Thanks to your help, Mark.
Look at this box of vinyl records.
Do you have a record player at home?
Yes, I love the warm sound of old music.
I see some jazz and classical music here.
This album by Duke Ellington is a classic.
The cover art is like a painting. It is beautiful.
It is in very good condition, no scratches at all.
I like the soul music from the 60s.
Here is a Motown record. You might like this one.
Oh, I know these songs. My parents played them.
Good music never goes out of style.
I agree. Modern music is very different.
I am going to buy 3 of these.
How much are they? 50 cents each?
Yes, that is an incredible price for vinyl.
You can have a concert in your living room tonight.
You are invited if you want to listen.
Thank you. I would love to hear how they sound.
I also have a lot of rock records.
You have a very wide taste in music.
Music is the best way to relax after work.
I usually read a book, but music is great too.
Maybe we can do both at the same time.
That sounds like a perfect evening.
I am glad I checked this box.
I bought too many books. This bag is very heavy.
Let me help you with that. I can carry them to your car.
Are you sure? I don't want to trouble you.
It is no trouble at all. I'm happy to help.
You are very kind. I found some great textbooks for my classes.
Your students are lucky to have such a dedicated teacher.
I try to find interesting stories for them to read.
These hardcover books are quite heavy. What are they?
One is a history of the city. The other is a cookbook.
Do you like to cook, or do you just like the pictures?
I am a decent cook, but I love learning new recipes.
I can bake a very good bread. It is my specialty.
That sounds delicious. Baking is like a science.
It is. You have to be very precise with the measurements.
My car is just around the corner. We're almost there.
No problem. I do this every day at work.
What exactly do you do for a living, Mark?
I own a small furniture workshop. I build tables and chairs.
That explains why you know so much about wood and quality.
Yes, I spend all day with my hands and my tools.
It must be very satisfying to create something useful.
It is. It's a great feeling when a piece is finished.
Here is my car. You can put the bag in the trunk.
There you go. All safe and sound.
Thank you so much, Mark. I really appreciate it. Wait, look at that silver radio on the table.
It looks like a retro model from the 80s.
I wonder if it still works. The buttons feel solid.
Let's ask the owner if we can plug it in.
There is an outlet near the garage door.
Plugging it in. Let's see. Turn the volume knob.
I hear static. Try to find a station.
I am moving the dial slowly. Wait, I hear music.
It works. The sound is actually very clear.
It has a very warm, old-fashioned tone.
I love the glowing light on the display.
It is very atmospheric. It would look great in your kitchen.
I was thinking the same thing. I can listen to the news.
How much is it? It says $8.
That is a very good price for a working vintage radio.
You should take it before someone else does.
I will. It is my final purchase for today.
You have a car full of treasures now, Lily.
I really do. It was a very successful morning.
I'm happy I found my wooden box, too.
We both found exactly what we needed.
Sometimes you just get lucky at these sales.
It helps to have a good eye and a good friend.
I'm glad I could help you today.
I'm glad I met you, Mark.
Well, the sale is almost over. People are leaving.
It was a very busy and fun morning.
Thank you for all your help and advice, Mark.
You are very welcome. I enjoyed your company.
I am going to go home and clean my new mirror.
And I am going to listen to my new records.
Don't forget to put your watches in that beautiful box.
I won't. It will look great on my dresser.
I hope you find more great things at the next sale.
Are you going to the one on High Street next Saturday?
I didn't know about that one. Is it a big sale?
Yes, it is an annual event. Many neighbors participate.
That sounds wonderful. I would love to go.
Maybe I will see you there?
I hope so. It would be fun to shop together again.
I agree. You are a very talented shopper, Lily.
And you are a very helpful expert, Mark.
It was a pleasure meeting you today.
It was a pleasure meeting you too.
Have a great weekend and enjoy your treasures.
You too. Good luck with your furniture workshop.
Thank you. I have a busy week ahead.
Take care, Mark.
Goodbye, Lily.
Goodbye.